COM10 students, I have been getting some questions about page numbers and the readings for this class, and I want to make sure everybody's clear about how to find the readings. When you go to the textbook, so in order to do that, here we are on the home page. We're going to go to Modules, and then Textbook, Online and Free. Okay, we're going to click on the textbook link. So when you get to this page, please click below where it says PDF. It'll bring you to this page. Okay, you can just click on Read Book, or if you page down, you'll see the contents. All I'm doing here is scrolling down the page. So let's say this week you are assigned to read Chapter 6, Intersectionality. That's right here, and when you click on it, you're going to see the text. If you've already printed out the book and the page numbers are different than what I put in there, I apologize. I don't know why one book has different page numbers than another, but I double check that the content should be the same. So one thing you can do is just check and see that the content is the same. So here's intersectionality. Some students said some tables didn't print out for them. Everything should be here as you go through. So if, for example, table 1 came out blank, here's that table in your reading. I hope that's helpful. I'm going to send out an email with this video along with the names of the chapters, and I will update all the readings with the names of the chapters, so hopefully that will clarify things. Of course, as always, email me with questions or message me through the Canvas. I hope you're enjoying the class, and we'll keep in touch.